Today we're going to do a review of a new pellet grill. The people over there at Brisk It, B-R-I-S-K space I-T, reached out to me and they asked me if I'd do a review on their new pellet grill. And you know, absolutely. I do want to say I'm pretty impressed. And this is one thing, if you're going to be buying a grill, if it comes with the actual tools in that pack of nuts and washers and bolts, you know they got their stuff together. So you don't have to go dig around for tools. It comes with the tools to put it together. On the reverse side of the pack of screws, look at there. It even comes with a nice Phillips head screwdriver, and then the screws that you need, they're lettered EF, and then you just pop them out right there. It's that easy. It also comes with a nice assembly manual, you know, the suggestion manual. Yeah, this one doesn't look too difficult to put together. Basically got to put the legs on it and side shelf, and then it also comes with a very nice owner's manual. Okay, and it's got all kinds of tips. It tells you everything you need to know in there, including the app, the AI, artificial intelligent app that they have. Yeah, a learning app. We'll see, right? We'll see how that works out. It does say that anytime there's something new or an update to the controller board on this, it'll automatically update. So they're going to keep on top of that. I think I just need to put this thing together.
Okay, so the first thing you got to do is get everything unboxed, check the inventory, and make sure everything's there. This thing is packed really well, and what I really like is every part is numbered. Nice, clear letter numbering, so you can't mess this up. First thing we're going to do is get these legs put together, because after putting the legs together, we just have to put them on the unit. It's that easy. This is really a simple build. We get the wheels, nice big wheels, the stationary wheels, and yeah, just like that. We got our wheels ready, and then all you got to do is take this thing, use the packing material, turn it upside down, and start putting the legs on. And the body of the pellet grill is numbered as well. You cannot mess this up. Match the 5 to the 5. You get the swivel legs on. You know, you got to kind of work a little bit to get the washer and everything in there, but it's not that bad. And then you're going to get the stationary wheels on. They're numbered. And then we're going to put the little crossbeam on there that has Brisk It on it. It's a really good looking logo there. And once you got the crossbeam, it kind of stabilizes the whole unit. And when the legs are on, you turn it back over, assemble it, put the handle on it, put the side shelf on. Very easy to do. We got the ash pan and the grease pan in one tray. Just slide this in, super simple. Hey, look at that grill. It's a little dirty right now, but okay, there's the fire pot right there. We're going to put the heat shield in. We're going to put the drip tray in. All of this stuff, this is just goes in super simple. And then we're going to put the enamel coated grates in there. And look at this one here on the right. The grate is angled on the corners, on 2 of the corners. It's angled inside the pit. So you want to make sure that this grill grate is on the right side. Okay, and then we're going to add the warming shelf that you also can cook on. It's not just for warming.
Okay, I hope you can see this. I will go over it again, but this actually has a felt strip all the way around the lid, and you do not find this in introductory pellet grills. This obviously is not introductory. This is got some nice tech to it. We will have to download the app, check all of that out. It does all kinds of cool stuff, of course. It has menus. All right. Look at this thing. Look at that. I mean, it's dirty right now, but look at there. Brisk It. Brisk It. Okay, so I do want to mention this Brisk It wood pellet grill currently is running right around 800 bucks. So it's not an entry level $500 grill. This has some tech in it. This is higher tech. I'm assuming it's gonna cook well. I'm pretty confident it's gonna. But if you're gonna buy this one, or when you go buy this, spend the extra 70 bucks, get a cover. Look at that. Look at that. Even the cover is good looking. That's a good looking grill, covered and uncovered. Okay, I am gonna do a burn off on this Brisk It right now. Auger primed, I just had the priming going on. It says complete, and guess what? Right there, it's dropped in enough to get this thing lit. Okay, so you got your heat shield. Drip tray. Now this has a lot of grease on it, so that's why we want to burn this off, get the factory stuff off of here. This control panel is pretty cool. I'll have to go over it more, but check that out. I've got this plastic on here still. But anyway, you hit the menu. You got your timer, your probes, hook up your Wi-Fi, auger, Bluetooth, and then device settings. So that's pretty sweet. Okay, and then back to here, it has the ignite button right there. So what I'm going to do now is just hit the ignite button. I've already got some pellets in there. Here the fans kicked in. And I'm going to put my shelves in here. I'm not going to spray any cooking oil in here. I want everything to burn off. Again, look at there, it's got that felt liner, pretty sweet. Now, you know, they show when they do theirs, they just turn the ignite on and shut the lid. Isn't that a good looking grill? But, you know, I don't know, maybe I'm just old school. I like to let them start up. I like the smoke to billow up and ignite before I close the lid. So, yeah, you know, I guess if they say it's okay, and look at there. I put this in the wrong way. So one of them does not have that angle. See, all four sides, no angle. But back there in the corner, you've got an angle. Look, it's already smoking. And over here in the front, I don't know if you can see it, there's an angle. So what you want to do is, that angle wants to be on the right side, just like that. Okay, that thing's already smoking, lights up quick. I guess we'll see how long it takes for it to actually heat up. But as soon as the smoke clears, I will close the lid. This is a 22-pound hopper, so you can put a 20-pound bag in there, no problem. Yeah, we'll see if I leave this in here. If you guys follow me at all, you know I don't like these. You know, there's no way you're gonna stick your finger in there and get hurt. But you know, hey, protect ourselves from ourselves, right? Boy, this thing is smoking right up. Actually, I can hear the flame going and the smoke is starting to clear. So we're good to go ahead and close that lid. Man, that took a matter of just a few minutes. Okay, and I'm going to put my temp up. I don't know if you can read that or not. I'm gonna let it get to, let's just get to 200 first. And then after, hit the button. Hit that button when you got it set. And when it hits 200, then we'll crank it up a little more. We'll let this thing burn off for probably a good 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, this thing literally took 4 minutes to get to 200 degrees. All right, so now we're gonna go to let's go to 250. Okay, so from here, I can adjust my temperature just like this from my app. So for right now, we're gonna let it ride at 250. And then once it gets to 250, I'll let it go for a little while. I'll up it and up it. We're just gonna let this burn off. And hey, we'll have to cook something on it. I like the drip tray. You pull this lever to empty the ash. And then over on this side, you can pull it out. And it has the ash and drip tray pans in there. Pretty cool. It comes with a couple of foil liners for your drip tray, which is pretty cool. You don't see that with anybody else. It comes with this felt liner. It's got 428 square inches on the bottom, 152 inches on the top. Now, if you don't have the top in here, in comparison, my tailgater is 340 square inches. So this one's just a little more room than the tailgater. So to me, it makes it a perfect size for a couple, a small family. And you know what? Even if you're doing a big cook for a bunch of people, you can still fit quite a bit of stuff on all three shelves with the 580 square inches. Now, this controller board is pretty cool. You know, the younger guys will really appreciate all the technology that goes in on that. It makes just your average griller a really good griller because everything's preset. You go on the app, you choose what you want, you set it. This thing is pretty intelligent. It is a smart pellet grill. It does have hooks to hang your utensils. It does not have a shelf, and it does not have a pellet dump. Of course, you know, once you get using a pellet grill and everything, you'll have your favorite pellets, and you'll probably use those most of the time. Of course, the exhaust vent back here comes out through the bottom there. There's no holes on top, and there's no chimney. All right, I'm sure I have missed something in this review. If you've got a question about it, just let me know. Put it down in the comments and I'll answer it the best I can. Okay, if you want any more information on this Brisk It 580, there will be a link below. You can check it out, make your own decision there, but the next time you see me on this, we're gonna be cooking on it, giving it the test drive. And hey, I can't wait. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.